Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can wait for that. So let's start with these cards first. We have the Fool in reverse, Strength in reverse, and Three of Wands. So in your situation, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, it may be your energy or the other person's energy. Maybe there is some kind of a carelessness or negligent attitude. It may be your energy or towards your circumstance, or it may be this person's energy. So that is affecting the way things are going. So maybe in your work situation, guys, your carelessness on the part of someone you work with, that is affecting the work potential. Or in your relationship, maybe they are not serious enough or they are not showing their seriousness in this connection, guys. Maybe they are not speaking out what they truly feel. So some kind of careless attitude or negligent attitude is causing a lot of stress for you in this connection, guys. And also in your situation, maybe for some of you, you are dealing with some kind of an illness. It may be your illness or illness of this person. So that is again causing a lot of stress or worries for you. Or maybe it may be some habits you both have. It may be your habits or their habits. If it is something good, you can go for it. If it is health oriented habit, you need not avoid. But if it is something bad, you need to go for moderation, guys. And that is affecting the way things are in this connection, in this love. But you are right now waiting for something. Maybe you are analyzing your situation, seeing the way things are going, and maybe you are interested in this love, you want this relationship to work, but you are waiting. Maybe you want this person to change and you are giving them time, maybe, guys. And you are waiting for them to change, maybe give up the addictions they have, and realize your love for them and come to you, maybe. And you are happy in this love and you are waiting for the changes to unfold in your situation. Or it may be some kind of waiting in your work situation. You are seeing various opportunities and you are waiting to choose the right one in your career situation, guys. So let's see what it is with the card for your relationship. We have Judgment in reverse. So with this card, guys, it just means that again we have the similar energy. So this person is doing something deliberately and they are not realizing that their mistake, maybe, or they are in some kind of a stressful situation. It may be addictions or sickness. So something is bothering this love, and It may not be a deliberate thing they are doing, but what to say, they are not realizing that impact it has on you guys, and they are trying hard maybe to give up the addictions they have, but they are unable to give up. That is what I see, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's 10 of Swords. So in your work situation, you may see a lot of delays or suspensions, guys, and that is going to make you a lot worried today. But there are opportunities, you need not worry. So you may land a better opportunity. Let's hope for the best, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Pesartin Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard maybe to make people like you, but you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time. Your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition. and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single-minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.